Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. iCreate, which has filed to legally be rebranded as Kentire Holdings JA, has announced to the stock exchange that it will be investing in the British Virgin Islands BVI in the hospitality and tourism service sector. The company has signed a letter of intent to invest in MVL, an operator of beach club resorts, restaurants, and lounge in the BVI. Other expansion deals are in the pipeline. First is the acquisition of a 51% interest in Parallel Real Estate Ventures for US $2.2 million and a 20% stake in Seven's Restaurant. iCreate also has plans for the 100% acquisition of its associate company, online payment firm Get Paid. The Jamaica Stock Exchange and the Georgetown Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Guyana are to sign a memorandum of understanding before the end of the year. This MOU will see Guyana establishing a junior stock market with the help from the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The agreement by the parties to sign the MOU is one of the outcomes of the now annual conference hosted by the JSE in Guyana. The second Regional Investments in Capital Markets Conference in Guyana came to a close last Wednesday, October 9. President of the Guyana Chamber of Commerce, Kester Hudson, highlighted the successful work of the JSE and the operations of its junior market, noting, SMEs, small, medium-sized enterprises, need to have access to capital. So we are moving forward with that. The Chamber is excited about it. We need to expose our members to these opportunities. The Jamaica Stock Exchange is a model that works. During trading for the period of October 17, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares with 51,043,647 units represented 78.88% of the market volume in terms of sales. International conglomerate Grace Kennedy Limited with 2,524,321 units represented 3.9% of the market volume in terms of sales. Investment house QWI Investments Limited with 2,196,631 units represented 3.39% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On October 17, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $66.8 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $66.84 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $159.20 and bought the US dollar for $157.99. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.22, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $7.54 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $117.17 and bought for $109.63. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of 76 cents, selling it for $207.37 and buying it for $206.58. For our credit report tip of the day, you know the feeling when you thought you'd pay off that balance quickly and then life happened? And here you are still struggling to pay down your credit cards. If you're stuck in this place, here are practical steps you can take to boost your creditworthiness. First, seek professional help. Reach out to a financial coach or counselor who specializes in debt management. They can help you craft a plan specific to your situation. Second, stay motivated. Celebrate small wins along the way, whether it's paying off a credit card or reducing your overall debt balance. 3, plan for the future. Once you've made progress, build an emergency fund and keep it replenished. This will help prevent future debt traps. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.